Hello guys, it's Martin here from a lovely sunny Blackpool Automart, and what a better day to have to show you a lovely 440i cabriolet automatic than today. First time we've had sunshine, so I thought let's get this cabriolet shown off. It's a stunning car in a metallic white with black heated leather seats, lovely 20-inch uncurbed diamond cut alloy wheels, P0 600 tyres all round, Pirellis. It's got a reverse camera, it's got parking sensors, it's got nav, it's got cruise, it's got great miles. It's the 440i. Don't get much of a boot when the roof's down, but you do get something in there. Obviously you get your boot back when the roof goes back up. She's an absolutely stunning car. It's got the performance kit on it as well. I do apologise about the wind noise. It's quite windy here in Blackpool today. It's the M Sport variant, as you can see, with the logo on the back there. And that's the driver's side. Front wheel, no curbing to any of the wheels. It's got front parking sensors as well as rears. It's just a stunning car. It's not metallic actually. I thought it was a metallic silver. It's a flat, sorry, white. It's a flat white. My apologies. And there's the inside of the cockpit. That's the automatic gear shift. As you can see, it is an automatic vehicle. It's got nice miles as this car. It's done 25,016. And there's the cruise control and the limiter. It's also got paddle change on the steering wheel and your volume control on the right. It's got auto lights and auto wipers and full electric front and rear seats and electric mirrors, centre armrest. You've got thigh extensions on the seats, and you've also got memory seats here on the side of the seat. That's on both sides as far as I know. If you look inside the back of the seats, not a massive amount of room in the back of the car, but still nice, plush. ISOFIX there for children's seats as well. Just jump in the car. Got a push button start, which is over here. I'll just pull the door too, and it's got a couple of different drive modes, sport and eco. All your menus there on the iDrive. The car is just in park at the moment. It's got heated seats, 3-stage heated seats for both sides obviously, and there's the paddle change. If you wanted to drive the car in a manual mode, you can do that, no problem at all. And there's the mileage there, 25,000 miles. Great miles for a, what is it, a 5-year-old car? So 10,000 a year. Should be on 50 really. 10,000 a year, 5 years. But it's done 25, so it's done half the miles you would expect. I'll show you the nav as well. That's why we're here. I'm just operating the roof at the moment. Just stopped it halfway through so I can show you the roof coming over. Not sure if you're seeing much of that. I've got the sun in my eyes at the minute. I'll show you there. Over it comes. It's quite quick. All locks in position and the windows all come up automatically, which is good. So we're back as a normal car now, with it being a solid roof. I was just in the process of just showing you the navigation. Nice big colourful map there for the nav, and then you've obviously got all your different menu modes, different radios. Got full DAB radio as well. Car comes with 2 keys, and like I say, it's got heated front seats as well, both sides. There's one of the keys. It's got a second key. It's got great history, and there's the full book pack in there with all the history of the car, which is very good. So yes, all in all, she's a stunning car. I'll just jump out now and finish off out here. We are part of a company called the Cox Motor Group. We have 12 dealers across the northwest of the UK. We're a northwest based company. Lancaster is where our head office is. We have 4 Honda dealers, 2 Seat dealers, 5 Automart dealers, which is us there, and next door to us is one of our Seat dealers, and that's Blackpool Honda Bikes. And just across the road there is our flagship Honda Blackpool. that's where the car came in, part exchange. We don't go out and buy vehicles here, we self-generate our part exchanges. So all the cars you see on here have come in through either part exchange through Honda or our Seat dealer next door. So we don't go to auctions like a lot of garages do. Buy a car from auctions. The car is usually in the auction for a reason. Anyway, we'll not go into that. So the reason for these videos, guys, it's just trying to recreate you actually being here. We do sell to all over the country, and I get that you can't just nip and look at the car if you're down in Bristol or something, or up in Aberdeen. We get that, so we do try and recreate as if you was sort of walking around the car, really, eyes on the ground sort of thing, and show you areas of concern that you should look at on a car, like a bumper corner or a driver's side front wheel to see if it's got any scuff marks on it, that sort of thing. And that's what we do. We try to be as transparent as we can and absolutely show you everything on the car. It is difficult when you're filming a car, but you do get much more of a feel of a car with a video than you do just flat pictures. We've been doing videos for probably 10 years now, 8 years, and I can see on Auto Trader, because I look regularly on Auto Trader, and I can see a lot of garages starting to do videos now. But it is something that we've been doing for a long time. I think it's the only way to present a car to a customer. It's a little bit more tangible than a flat picture. Don't get me wrong, flat pictures are okay, but with a video you're getting a good look at the car, you're getting a good look at the surroundings where the car is. We're not a small little crappy company selling cars under a bridge in Blackpool. We are a multi-million pound company. Our parent company name is Cox Motor Group. If you want to Google us, you can check all our reviews out on our website at coxmotorgroup.com. You can even leave a deposit on this car if you wanted to at our website. It's just £100. It takes the car off sale. It's not as if I've got 5 or 6 of these in a row. It's the only one I have. It's the 3 litre straight 6 440 this, so it's absolutely smooth as silk, this car, when you drive it, being a 6-cylinder. So yeah, if you want to reserve it, go on to coxmotorgroup.com. You can leave £100, and it's only subject to you viewing it. So it's not that you purchased it, you reserved it. So if you come down and look at the vehicle and it's not what you want, you don't like the drive, you don't like the look, you don't like the feel, whatever it might be, we just give you your deposit back, no questions asked. So we can't be much fairer than that, guys. And if you want to go online, you can do it online. Just click find the car, click the reservation button, and it pings me an email to say that somebody's reserved the car, and I'll give you a call. Or you can ring us at the branch if you want to speak to a human being. You can ring us at the branch here at Blackpool. It's 01253 600 900, and it's option 4 for Automart. My name's Martin Cook. I'm the sales manager here. I do the majority of the videos. So yeah, back to the car. She's a very, very stunning car. I have done a sweep of this car before coming out to do the video, and I can quite honestly say I cannot find a mark on it. I really, really cannot find a mark on this car. I've checked everywhere, mirror, end caps, that you can have a scuff on them, stone chip in the window maybe, nothing. Alloys scored, nope. Can't find a thing wrong with this car. So if you do come down and look at it, I think you'll be impressed. It's a very, very good looking car. And if you want finance figures as well, give us a call, we can get them for you. Or you can go onto our website again. You can also value your car on our website too, so everything's there if you wanted it to. Or just give us a ring here, 01253 600 900. We can value your car over the phone, we can give you finance numbers over the phone, and we can appraise your car over the phone if you can give us the details of it, or you maybe even need to just send us a couple of pictures of your car to give us a more accurate feel of what your car looks like. Anyway, that's enough from me. I've bubbled on for 9 minutes now. It should only be a 5-minute video, so I do apologise, guys. You've probably disappeared by now. So there you go. That's the 440i BMW petrol automatic. It's done 24,000 miles. It's available now at Blackpool Automart. It's ready to drive away. Just give me a call if you want any more pictures, any more videos, whatever you may want, numbers, figures. 01253 600 900. My name's Martin. It's been my pleasure to bring you this video today, and I hope it's been informative for you. Thanks, guys. Speak to you soon. Bye for now. Bye bye.